Veal SALTIMBOCCA. What saltimbocca means is jump or leap into the mouth in Italian. So we're talking all these flavors are just jumping into your mouth. So all we need is our beautiful veal. Tenderize it yourself or get the butcher to tenderize it, nicely thinly sliced. Then we need some beautiful thinly sliced prosciutto. Next, some beautiful sage, fresh sage, salt and pepper, some plain flour to dust the veal, olive oil, some dry white wine. So that's basically it. It's just a matter of having all this. There is little to no preparation, pretty much. Okay, so you can have this with veggies of your choice. Might be having asparagus tonight with this. Or a salad, whatever your heart desires. So that is about it. It's a very impressive dish. Your friends will love it. If you invite them over and cook them this dish, they will think you are a top chef, seriously. Okay, so we'll get straight into showing you quickly how to dust the veal. Then the rest is all done at the stove. And, you know, we're talking seconds. You know, we fry off the veal, put it aside, then do the sauce, 5 minutes. And you are talking a top quality restaurant dish. Okay, so we'll get stuck into getting the meat ready and then we'll head straight over and cook it off. Okay, here's our veal. Just give it a tenderize. Dust it in our flour. Season your flour if you like, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of salt. Not putting too much salt as the prosciutto is very salty. Okay, that's it. We'll see you over at the stove. Okay, over to the stove. Medium heat. Some olive oil. Nice dob of butter. Wait for this to melt. Reduce the heat to low medium. Add the veal. So we're just browning it on both sides. About a minute on each side. Turn it over, starting to brown slightly. Another minute. Okay, now we remove these. Add the white wine. Put in the sage. Increase the heat. Add some pepper. At this point, we can return the veal. We grab our prosciutto. Put it on top. Swirl it around. Reduce that down a little bit more. This is optional. Some cheese. Parmesan or Pegorino. It's been a couple of minutes. That's reducing nicely. Pretty well ready to serve up. Here we go. Bon appetit, guys.